Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show how to play Am2r on Steam Deck. We'll walk through the simple steps to get this incredible fan-made remake of Metroid 2, Return of Samus, running smoothly on your device. You'll learn the recommended installation method, ensuring you can enjoy hours of classic action. Get ready to transform your Steam Deck into a portable Metroid machine with just a few easy adjustments. First, you'll need to access desktop mode on your Steam Deck. Once there, open the Discover Software Center, which is like an app store for Linux. In the search bar, type Am2r Launcher and hit Enter. You'll find the official Am2r Launcher Flatpak. This is the recommended and easiest way to install the game. Simply click Install and let your Steam Deck handle the rest, usually taking just a few moments. With the launcher installed, open it from your desktop mode. The launcher will guide you through downloading the necessary game files, which typically takes only a few minutes. Once Am2r is installed, open Steam, click Add a Game, then add a non-Steam game. Browse to the Am2r executable within the launcher's folder and add it. Finally, set its compatibility to Proton Experimental in the game's properties for optimal performance in gaming mode. Now, for the best experience, launch Am2r and head into its in-game settings. You can customize the controls to perfectly suit your playstyle. Many players find disabling full-screen mode within the game's display options improves stability. The Steam Deck offers extensive controller customization, allowing you to fine-tune every button. With these simple tweaks, you're all set to dive into the fantastic world of Am2r, enjoying every moment on your powerful handheld device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.